Introduced in 1958, the 5F1 amp circuit is an American classic. Even though it was a simple one-knob control and a minimal two-tube setup, this 5-watt beast can hold its own. Players like Joe Walsh, Eric Clapton, Billy Gibbons, Keith Richards, and many more have recorded hits using this amp. The unique, raunchy tones of the overdrive and the saturated boxy sound of the clean can set any solo apart. At TubeDepot, our signature kit brings the classic sound of the 5F1 with the added touch of a 10-inch speaker. Today we're going to try the amp out at various volumes to demonstrate the different textures you can get out of TubeDepot's version of this vintage masterpiece. We'll start out with the amp on 3 just to hear the clean tone. Turning the amp up to about halfway, we can start to feel the saturation of the tubes and we get a little bit of breakup. Turning the amp up to 10, it really starts to get dirty, and we can hear the signature tone of this amp. In the second input, there's a resistor that drops the signal input voltage slightly, so you get a little more padded of a sound. That was just a quick overview of this amp. It could do so much more than shown in this video. What do you guys think?